Okay, good morning to all of you. I'll be taking your first aid theory. Okay, so for first aid theory, last class we were discussing about burn, right? Likhi-san, have
Yes,
you all
yes,
written
ma'am.
down? Have you noted down in your notebook?
Yes, ma'am.
You all have taken pictures, right, for burn? Don't forget to write in your notebook, okay? So now we will discuss about some common medical problems. Write down the topic, diarrhea and dysentery. Topic diarrhea and dysentery. Diarrhea. DIARRHOEA. Diarrhea and dysentery. This is the topic. Diarrhea and dysentery. Some of you please turn on your videos. Eta duta on korile hobo videos. Diarrhea and dysentery. Okay. So anybody knows what is diarrhea? Any idea what is diarrhea? Hmm? What do you mean by diarrhea? Anyone? Surojit? Nobody knows what is diarrhea?
जब मैम ज़्यादा टॉयलेट
Yes. Anybody knows what is diarrhea? Any idea?
Ma'am, in essence, it is said petter rock.
Huh?
Ma'am, petter অসুবিধা হলে
Yes. In common term, diarrhea mane patla paikhana. Okay. It's loose motion. Loose motion is known as diarrhea. Okay, and dysentery is something else. Kisumane many people, whenever we say diarrhea and dysentery, they say that dysentery mane diarrhea, diarrhea mane dysentery. Enega nohoy. Okay, diarrhea is patla paikhana, means loose motion, and whereas dysentery mane there will be patla paikhana, loose motion, along with that there will be presence of blood and mucus. Okay, whenever tej ulabo along with loose motion, it is known as dysentery. Into diarrhea hole you won't have blood loss. Okay, so write down watery loose motions, watery loose motions, watery loose motion, watery, watery loose motions, watery loose motions are called as diarrhea. Watery loose motions are called as diarrhea. DIARRHOEA. Diarrhea. But beauty, but if they are associated, but if they are associated, but if they are associated, ASSOCIATED, associated with blood, associated with blood, okay, BLOOD, with blood and mucus, with blood and mucus, 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 then these are called dysentery. Then these are called dysentery.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Etu ki ma'am degree of burn pisot likhim.
Haha.
Ekhini
Itu
kot
na
likhim
notun
ma'am.
topic hoy diarrhea and dysentery.
Ma'am hetu degree of burn pisot likhim tar mane.
Oh, itu notun chapter hoy. Burn to heck, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Etu nutun chapter. Ma'am ki
Notun
likhim
chapter hoy diarrhea and dysentery. Okay, so what you have written, diarrhea hole there will be watery loose motion. Okay, aru dysentery hole along with watery loose motion there will be associated with blood aru mucus. Okay, so this is known as diarrhea and dysentery. Causes likha, causes, CAUSES, causes. Causes number 1 likha, indigestion. Indigestion, if you don't digest your food properly, it is known as indigestion. Okay, indigestion. Number 2, write down, food poisoning. Food poisoning holeo tumor diarrhea and dysentery hobo para. Okay, food poisoning, FOOD, food poisoning, POISONING, food poisoning. Number 3 likha, bacterial infection. Bacterial infection, bacterial infection. And the last one you write down, amoebic dysentery. Number 3 point you write down, amoebic dysentery. So these are the causes of diarrhea and dysentery. Okay, next you write down the sign and symptoms. What are the sign and symptoms? Write down sign and symptoms.
Ma'am,
Sign and
number 4
symptoms.
to ki asil causes?
Amoebic dysentery. Amoebic dysentery, AMOEBIC, amoebic dysentery. Sign and symptoms likha. Write down the sign and symptoms. Number 1, loose motion. Sign and symptoms ki hobo? Sign and symptoms number 1, loose motion. LOOSE, loose motion. MOTION, loose motion. Number 2 likha, loose motion with blood and mucus. Loose motion with blood and mucus. Loose motion with blood and mucus. Number 3, vomiting. Number 3, vomiting. Number 3, vomiting. Number 4, fever, FEVER, fever. FEVER, fever. Next likha, weakness. Number 5, weakness, durbol hoi jabo. Okay, weakness, WEAKNESS, weakness. Number 6 likha, pain in abdomen, petor bik. Okay, pain in abdomen. There will be pain in the abdomen. Pain in abdomen means stomach ache. Okay, pain in abdomen, ABDOMEN. Next you write down the treatment. Next you write down treatment, TREATMENT, underline kora treatment. Treatment. Number 1 likha, plenty of fluids. Khub besi pani khabo lagibo. Okay, plenty of fluids, FLUIDS, means the person will have to drink lots of water. Okay, plenty of fluids, FLUIDS, plenty of fluids, comma, rice with curd, rice with curd, CURD, rice with curd. These are the home treatment. Okay, rice with curd, comma, khichdi you write, KICHIDI. So whenever we have loose motion, Okay, diarrhea or dysentery jodi hoy, what do? You take plenty of fluids, khub beshi pani khabo lagibo. Then you will have to take bland diet, mane plain khana, like for example rice with curd, nohole khichdi. So all these things you can eat. Khub beshi spicy, tomar petor big, you have stomach pain, but you are eating lots of spicy things, lots of oily things. Then instead of making it good, the pain will become worse. Okay, so bland diet is advisable. Okay, number 2, second point likha, avoid chilies and spicy food. Avoid chilies and spicy food. That means you will have to avoid chilies and also spicy foods, along with that junk foods. Okay, all these things should be avoided. Only plain diet should be advised to the patient. Avoid chilies and spicy food. Avoid chilies. Okay, jolokia aru jola bostu, spicy foods, it should be avoided. Okay, number 3rd point likha, maintain proper hygiene. Maintain proper hygiene. Maintain proper hygiene. Maintain proper hygiene and sanitation. Maintain proper hygiene and sanitation. SANITATION. তাৰ পিছত লিখা, protect food from flies.
Ma'am, কি কৈছে চেনিতে? চেনিতে যে কি কৈছে ma'am?
Maintain proper hygiene and sanitation. Sanitation. SANITATI. What is sanitation? What do you understand by sanitation?
Sanitation.
What do you mean by sanitation?
পরিষ্কার।
Huh?
Ma'am means পরিষ্কার।
What? Farizatun?
Ma'am means in Assamese পরিষ্কার পরিচ্ছন্নতা।
Yes. So that is sanitation. Okay, you will have to maintain hygiene, then proper drinking water, proper toilet facility. Okay, urine facility. So all these things comes under your sanitation. Aru proper maintaining of health. Okay, by eating healthy foods, nutritious diet. Okay, so all these things comes under your sanitation. So next likha, protect food from flies. Protect food from flies. Flies means makhi. Okay, from all these bees, house flies. So you will have to protect the food from house flies. No hole makhi sakhi urile keneko hobo. You will have to close your food properly with a dhakoni. Okay, with a lid. Okay, you should not keep your food open was to khana sana, and if you will keep it open, what will happen? Flies will be roaming around, there might be mosquitoes roaming around. So hey karone you should always cover your food with a covering. Okay, with a lid. Tar pisot likha, metronidazole. Metronidazole, ME, this is a medication. Okay, METRONIDAZOLE. Metronidazole. Metronidazole is an antibiotic. Okay, it's an antibiotic. Okay, so metronidazole, full stop. If lab tests are unclear, if laboratory tests are unclear, UNCLEAR. If laboratory tests are unclear, comma, if laboratory tests are unclear, 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 comma, the patient may be given a combination of antibiotic and amoebicidal. AMOEBICIDAL. Amoebicidal medications. Amoebicidal medications. Okay. Last point you write down. Wash hands properly. Wash hands properly. Wash, W-A-S-H. Wash hands properly. Okay. So this is all about your diarrhea and dysentery. Okay. It is like a short note. Diarrhea or dysentery. Diarrhea mane, what do you understand by the term diarrhea? What is diarrhea?
Ma'am, loss of water.
Loss of water no hoy, loose motion.
Loose
ma'am.
motion.
Or dysentery? What do you mean by dysentery?
Ma'am, loose motion with blood and mucus.
Yes. Mucus to mane, it's like a means thu nisina. Okay, it is fena type. Okay, that is known as mucus. Our causes. What are the causes of diarrhea and dysentery? What are the causes? What are the causes of diarrhea and dysentery?
Ma'am, indigestion, food poisoning,
Yes.
bacterial infection.
Okay. Sign and symptoms ki hoy? What are the sign and symptoms of loose motion? First hoy tomar loose motion. Number second point, loose motion with blood and mucus. Tar pisat vomiting hobo, jor hobo, okay, fever. Okay, then there will be weakness, mane durbol hobo. Tar pisat petor bik hobo, pain in abdomen. Okay, so these are some of the sign and symptoms of diarrhea and dysentery. Okay, our treatment ki hoy? Treatment.
Ma'am, plenty of fluid. And rice with
Rice with curd. Curd mane?
rice with curd.
Dohi, okay. Rice with curd, tar pisot khichiri, ebur khabo lagibo. Okay. Next is tumar petor big ase tumi jolokia khaba niki?
Ma'am.
So you will have to avoid chilies and spicy foods. Okay. Then you have to maintain hygiene, sanitation, aro tumar you have to protect the food from flies. Then you will have to take antibiotics such as metronidazole. Then you have to wash your hands properly. So this is a short note on diarrhea and dysentery. Okay. Tar pisot write down migraine. Topic likha migraine. M-I-G-R-A-N-E. Migraine. Diarrhea and dysentery is over. Okay, heck. Now you write a new topic, that is migraine. M-I-G-R-A-N-E. Migraine. M-I-G-R-A-N-E. Migraine. Write down migraine mane ki? Muror bik. Okay. Headache. But only just headache means it's headache. But migraine hole like it's a bit severe. Severe than your normal headache. Okay. Khub besi you will have headache. Okay. Write down headache may follow. Headache may follow. Headache. H-E-A-D-A-C-H-E. Headache may follow lack of food. Headache may follow lack of food. F-O-O-D. May follow lack of food. Headache may follow lack of food, comma, noise, N-O-I-S-E, noise, comma, heat. If it's too much hot at that time also you might suffer from migraine. Okay, heat, comma, traveling, T-R-A-V-E-L-L-I-N-G, traveling, Some people are there who are not able to travel from one place to another. Okay, travel korile, like they will have vomiting, they will have headache. Okay, sometimes they suffer from migraine. Okay, sometimes what happen because of eye problem. Okay, whenever you have eye problem, that time also you might suffer from migraine or headache. Okay, traveling or emotional disturbances or emotional disturbances or emotional disturbances. Emotional disturbances means when a person is having anxiety, when a person is too sad, okay, when a person is suffering from depression. So at that time also the person might suffer from headache or migraine. Okay, so these are some of the causes. Next, you write down the sign and symptoms. Sign and symptoms, likha. Sign and symptoms. Sign and symptoms. Sign and symptoms. Number 1, nausea and vomiting. Number 1, nausea and vomiting. Nausea, nausea and vomiting. Nausea mane, I already told you what is nausea. Nausea means it is a feeling of vomiting. Vomiting mane tumi already vomiting, you have already vomited. Kintu nausea means it's just a feeling. It's a bhav that you want to vomit. Okay, nausea and vomiting. Number 2 likha, intense, 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 intense headache. Khub besi muror big. Okay, intense headache. intense, intense headache. Headache. Intense headache. Number 3 likha, he cannot tolerate. He cannot tolerate. He or she likha, he or she cannot tolerate light or noise. Light, L-I-G-H-T. Whenever you have headache, you always keep your lights off, because when the light is on, sometimes you have headache. Okay, so you want a dim light or you want darkness whenever you have headache. And also noise. You are having headache and someone is playing a loud music, then also you won't feel good. Okay, so he cannot tolerate light or noise. Next, you write down the treatment. Treatment likha. Treatment. Treatment number 1, painkillers in the form of, number 1, painkillers in the form of, painkillers, P-A-I-N, painkillers, K-I-L-L-E-R-S, painkillers in the form of Disprin, D-I-S-P-R-I-N, Disprin, D-I-S-P-R-I-N, Disprin, comma, Analgin, A-N-A-L-G-I-N. Painkillers in the form of Disprin, Analgin, A-N-A-L-G-I-N, Analgin. Number 2, you write tablet, tablet, Migril, M-I-G-R-I-L, tablet Migril. Tablet Migril or Vasograin, V-A-S-O-G-R-A-I-N, tablet Migril or Vasograin. 3 times a day. 3 times a day. 3 times a day. In bracket you write TDS, capital T, capital D, capital S. TDS mane tinibar. Okay, that means morning, daytime, aru and night time before sleeping. 3 times a day you have to take this medication, that is tablet Migril and Vasograin. These are antiemetics, okay, and these are also vasoconstrictors. It is specially given for migraine. But see, as I'm giving you the names of this medication, you should not take this medication just like that. Okay, you should always consult a doctor before taking any medication. You should not just take medications on your own. Okay, you should always take the consultation of a doctor before taking medications. Okay, because all the medicines are not suitable for all kind of people. For some people it might be allergic. Okay, for some people it might not suit. So you should always consult a health professional. Okay, so this is all about your diarrhea and dysentery or migraine. These are just small topics. Okay, these are common medical problems, common ailments. In common medical problems there are some more things we will discuss in the next class.
Hello, ma'am. Hello.
Yes, say.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Can you repeat
TDS
the
is full form?
Huh?
TDS.
3 times a day. That means dino tinibar.
ma'am?
BD.
Excuse
Okay,
me.
BD is also there. Short form B and D. BD hole 2 times a day. কেনেকুৱা আৰু OD হলে once daily. OD মানে once, only এবাৰ খাব medicine টো. BD মানে দুবাৰ খাব লাগে আৰু TDS মানে তিনিবাৰ. Okay, these are the short forms. Okay, now you can leave the meeting. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.